Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 2mm crochet hook, a ball of yarn. All information about the yarn could be found in the description of each video tutorial. And round beads. You can choose your favorite color of yarn. And before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord, make a chain, then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Take a bead. Yarn over the hook with bead. Insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish, with bead. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same chain stitch. Make double crochet, not finish. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 2. And now I show you how to crochet leaf pattern. It is going to be the first segment. I will crochet on this side, continue working with the opposite, insert the hook around the stitch, insert the hook from the back like this, turn the work, make 6 double crochet, not finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through first loop, continue, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Turn the work. This is the back side. I remove the hook, turn the work. I put my working yarn behind the work, like this. Yarn over the hook and work with the opposite stitch. Make 6 double crochet, not finish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I do not finish all my stitches. Then yarn over, pull through first loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 3 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. I pull it, so my third segment is ready. Continue. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Now insert the hook into 2 chain space. There is 2 chain space. Insert the hook into this chain space, make slip stitch. I remove my beads. My leaf is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. It could be perfect to create earring or brooch. I will use this chain space later. I will use it for my next segment. And now I show you how to crochet the base for the next leaf. Continue. Insert the hook into the working loop. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over the hook. And this is the back side of the work. Make double crochet, not finish. And I take one bead. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over the hook with bead and make double crochet, not finish, with bead. Insert the hook into the chain space, make double crochet, not finish, with bead. Then double crochet, not finish, into the same chain space. Let's look at the front side. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Chain of 2, turn the work, and my base for the segment is ready. I am working on this side. Continue with opposite stitch. And let's make 6 double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, turn the work, and make 6 double crochet, not finish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once I have done 6 double crochet, not finish, yarn over the hook, pull through first loop and pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Turn the work, remove the hook. I put my working yarn behind the work, insert the hook into 2 loops. Make 6 double crochet, not finish, on the opposite side. Insert the hook around the stitch. Make 6 double crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. I do not finish all my stitches. Yarn over, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Here what I have at this point. My second leaf is ready, but I still need to continue. Let's finish my leaf. 1, 2, 3 chains. Insert the hook into 2 chain space. Make slip stitch. And let's crochet the base for the next leaf. Work into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Yarn over the hook and double crochet knot finish into the chain space. Then double crochet knot finish with bead. Yarn over the hook with bead. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make double crochet. Then next double crochet knot finish. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. Chain of 2. Then I'm going to work with this side and then on the opposite side. So you should repeat the pattern as many times as you need for your project. Let's look what I have done. Once I have done 2 leaves and the base for the third one, I will start and you should continue working with your own. Make 6 double crochet knot finish. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, I will crochet faster, 4, 5, 6, then yarn over, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Remove the hook, put the yarn behind the work, insert the hook into 2 loops, make 6 double crochet knot finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through first loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pull through loops on the hook. Then chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. I remove my beads, turn the work, insert the hook into 2 chain space, make a slip stitch. My leaf is ready. This is the third leaf in my cord. Let's crochet the next one. Let's crochet chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet knot finish, 1, then double crochet knot finish with bead, and make double crochet knot finish the third time. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook, chain of 2, turn the work, and you should continue working with your own. I just need straight up my leaves. Keep working in this way as many leaves as you need for your cord or for your project. It is delicate and beautiful at the same time. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. For this project I used crochet hook, ball of yarn and beads. And before the work, I threaded beads onto the working yarn. You can use it like a separate motif or jewelry such as cord, bracelet or necklace, or it could be part of big project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this pattern. Bye!